guys, today we will be unboxing the 360 side director pinpointer with a pointing tip. So yeah, here's all the things. So here is the battery cover, the ribbed side. There is a LED flashlight on it, so that could be good. There's the pointing tip on it, the 360 scan direction area, audible and vibrating alarms, power switch, which is there. The power switch is there, and then the audible and vibrating alarms is there. Yeah, so that's that there where it can find, and yeah, it comes with a cover and a hook or lanyard. So yeah. Also, yeah, that's it. So yeah, we're gonna open it up now. Guys, here's the pinpointer in the cover, which I'm quite surprised about. This is the pinpointer. It's quite big, actually.
Possibly no batteries in it.
Yeah, I don't think it's got any batteries in it, because yeah, it's not got any batteries in. And here's the hook. I'm not sure what this is about though.
You hook it onto there, Luca. You put that end onto it.
Put that under there, and then you'll probably hook this bit onto like a belt or something, or key ring, a key. So yeah.
Okay, so have a look at the quality of it. Feel the quality is not too bad. 270 milliwatts and it's 9 volts. So it takes a 9-volt battery. Double A's, but as you can see. So next review is testing it with some metal. Okay, thanks very much guys.
Bye.